She loves eating fried snacks when she was watching her shows.
He's always working late and doesn't eat properly.
Time to bring out my secret weapon. It's genius, really. Not a drop of oil needed, and it's faster than preheating an oven. I've been using it for everything. Baking bread, re-crisping leftover fries. It's like having a little kitchen team. It's just 15 minutes and simple ingredients, and even fried food becomes healthier.
5 quarts. Plenty of room for a whole chicken. Cook rice, make soup, pasta. I cleared out half my cabinet when I got this. I used to always worry about toxic coatings, even using a wooden spatula carefully. This is all stainless steel and glass. No chemicals, no worries.
The Magnifique Combo Air Fryer. One system, every meal, your way.